This is a patio semi-ground room. This is room 130. On the outside you can tell the maid not to come in, or you can say when you want your room clean, which is quite cool. So in the room you've got a mini fridge, and they give you a couple of bottles of water a day while you stay here. There's an espresso coffee machine. I think they keep renewing the pods for free as well. Storage wise, you've got this one wardrobe. This is pretty much all the storage you get. So there's some shelving at the top. You've got hangers provided. A couple of robes if you want to use the spa. Storage box there, not sure what you're putting there. And then you've got a safe which is free, so it gives you an idea of the size. It's a decent size actually. And you've got a hairdryer. It is a decent full-size hairdryer, not a travel one. And weirdly they give you some scales. Maybe you might want to weigh yourself before and after a week's stay, or maybe not. So yeah, this is one of many touch panels you got in the room. So on this one you can press the red button to say whether you don't want to be disturbed, and then if you press this symbol here on the left you can change it to say that you want the room cleaned while you're out. The bathroom on the left, pretty decent walk-in shower. So you've got like a rainfall shower head, and then you've got like a multi-jet thing that comes out the wall, and then an attachment. And then you've got the sink, one of those mirrors that shows every wrinkle on your face. But yeah, it's a decent bathroom. And this is the main part of the room. I'm not sure what size the bed is, but it's bigger than double. I would say it's probably a king size. And you've got a decent sized TV. If you're English, there's about 5 channels, but they're all news. There's nothing like BBC One or anything. It is just English speaking news channels. So when we go into the second part of the room, this is a really big area. I think if you had more than 2 people staying, they would probably convert this part into an extra bed. It looks to me like they could make it into a double bed. And then you are, just to show you, are below ground level, so you're not looked in on by people walking past, and you've got this sort of view of a looks like a tropical garden. Then you've got the jacuzzi in this part of the room as well. So that is cleaned every day, and then you've got an option to see if I press this you get more bubbles. There you go. Some fancy coloured lights. But yeah, so they clean the jacuzzi pretty regularly. But yeah, that is it. So like I say, it's a patio, I think they call it semi-ground room. Just do a wider shot for you there. I'll just do a final walkthrough for you. It's pretty high tech in terms of lighting and everything else. By the bed you've got a touch panel, so you can switch the aircon on and off, you can switch the lights on and off from here as well, and call room service. There's another one here. So again, same on the other side of the bed. And then finally you've got one here.